Tonight, a new era begins for college athletes here in New York. Governor Hochul signing legislation this evening allowing students to be paid to play. Steph Manasero's live tonight outside of Barclays Center. And Steph, this is the moment so many student athletes have been waiting for.
It is, Cheryl. This is a huge deal for New York student athletes. Think about this. St. John's, the men's basketball team, is inside Barclays right now, hosting Temple University, which is in Pennsylvania. Those students playing for Temple have been able to benefit from the use of their name, image, and likeness since June of last year. So many people say it's about time New York student athletes have had those same opportunities.
It's a great day today to be a student athlete or collegiate athlete in New York.
It's a day sports attorney Jason Lampert says has been a long time coming. Monday, Governor Kathy Hochul signed a law allowing New York college athletes to get paid for endorsements. The technical term is for their name, image, and likeness, or NIL.
So that means now that collegiate athletes can sign autographs and make a profit, or be compensated for doing a photo shoot, or using their social media to promote brands or products.
They sacrifice a lot for their schools to put their schools on the map, so I think it's a good idea.
If this discussion sounds familiar, that's because a year ago, the NCAA first allowed college athletes to be compensated for these types of off-the-field brand collaborations. But NIL is regulated on a state-by-state basis. While other state laws have been allowing this for their student athletes, until now, college athletes in New York were banned from doing so.
In fact, if New York collegiate athletes received any compensation for their name, image, or likeness, they would actually forfeit their eligibility or possibly be suspended.
This law specifically prohibits a college or a conference from doing that.
It seems like it should have been done a long time ago.
And for a long time, compensating student athletes has been a hotly debated issue in the world of college sports. Some say athletes deserve the right to get paid for sponsorships because they bring in millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars for their schools.
The whole system is challenging in terms of the way it kind of puts money into the wrong people's hands.
It's effort and hard work where they're at and what they're doing. It's almost on a professional level.
Others say college athletes shouldn't be able to profit because they're not competing professionally. In fact, they say the lack of money involved is the beauty of college sports.
But that mindset that was established so long ago, it's changed now. It's changed with the times, where these universities now are making hundreds of millions of dollars. You have to come up to the time and change the laws accordingly for these kids.
For those kids and for colleges and universities here in New York as well, places like St. John's and Syracuse University. You think about it from a high school athlete's perspective, trying to figure out where to go. Why would you choose a school in New York where you couldn't benefit from the use of your name, image, and likeness over a school in, say, Texas or Florida where you could make money off those things? So experts saying this really just levels the playing field from a recruiting process as well. Reporting in Brooklyn, Steph Manasero, New York 1.